Alright, so this is the final stage of this build of this knife, which is the stropping and testing the cutting edge of this knife. So what I have, and when I strop, is some veg tan cowhide. So I put this green compound on my strop, and then I will move the knife up and down 10 times. Generally I go the one way first and then 10 this way, and then I flip them over, and then I give it 5 continuous, then 5 this way, and then just, that's it, just one either side, and that generally gets me below 50 grams of cutting pressure. So this machine I'm about to show you is called a BESS certified electronic tester. Now what it does, it tests the cutting edge in grams of pressure. So I've got this little clamp which comes with the unit, and it's like a fishing wire which goes through, and then you tighten it off, and then what you do is you bring the knife down, you've got a resting edge, and then you bring the knife down, and once that knife cuts the media in the middle, which is called, it's like a little bit of fishing wire, like I said, and that will register on the scale, and I'll show you how it's done. So I'll just illuminate this. There we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip the camera around, and then I'll show you where we are. Okay, so this is the machine I was talking about. So what we're going to do is we're going to rest it on there, and then I'm going to bring the edge down slowly, and then see what we got. Well, there we go. Now that's not bad. 12 grams of cutting pressure. You've got to be happy with that on a Scandi grind. So I mean, that will obviously cut paper very easily, and also that's generally one of the tests people do, and also they do a hair test on your arm. I don't know if you're going to catch this, what you can see there, you'll get that in the light, the hair. So that's a couple of the tests you do if you haven't got one of these testers. But I like to do this for my knives. Gives a little bit more added detail and data for the sheet when I send them out. I've got this from Multi-Tool Products Europe, so if you're after something like this, then contact John Woodward at Multi-Tool Products, and I'm sure he'll be able to help you out. So all this has got to do now is go in the sheath, which I also made the leather sheath. You hear that? Nice. Coming out. So my friend Nigel Goslin will be happy with that. Thanks for watching, guys.